Hey guys, BigT Trades here. Today I'll show you how to make these two trades using ICT concepts. I'll be using a trading plan called RMR, which is created by An ICT Trading. The trading plan will be on the screen at all times in the bottom right corner, so you can look and follow along what's going on. And I'll be trading the gold versus US dollar on the 13th of January 2023, which is today of the recording. So let's get right into the video. Hope you enjoy. First of all, I'm going to be starting out by drawing the highs and the lows before the open of the London session today. Then I'll be looking for some important highs or lows yesterday or the days before the day today. And we will now begin to look after new highs and a market structure shift before we enter any trades. So let's see when we see a market structure shift, because now we have broken the highs. And now we saw some market structure shift here, and I'll be switching it to the 1 minute time frame to look after a potential entry, because it's easier to identify value gaps and other candle movements on the 1 minute time frame rather than the 3 minute or the 5 minute. So my entries are always taken on the 1 minute time frame. And we can see a small market structure shift right here, and now we can be looking for a potential fair value gap where we can enter from. And I'll be using the Fibonacci tool to identify if we can possibly short it in a premium above the 0.5 level on the Fibonacci here. If we can do that, it means we are selling in a good price. And we also found a fair value gap right there above the 0.5 mark, which is a good sell spot, so I'll be placing my order here. Then I'll be looking for my stop loss, which could be right above this candle right here, so we are safe. And I'll draw the take profit levels at the support levels. The first one will be right here, and the next ones will be at the other support levels. I identify one here, which could be my second level, and I identify one here, which could be my third level, and my final TP, as I think this is the best one in my opinion to go for. I don't think it's good to go for the lows of the day, because it can be a bit risky and it doesn't always hit the lows or the highs. And now I'll let it run, and let's see if we got filled, and we got it right there, and let's see how it goes. And there we hit our first take profit level and our second and our final take profit level. So this was a successful trade, and our final TP was a 6.5 risk to reward ratio trade, which is very good. So let's get on to the next trade and see how it goes. The move down have taken a lot of liquidity out, and we will now be looking for longs if we break the lows and see a market structure shift. And we see a little market structure shift here, but it's not impactful enough in my opinion. It doesn't have that big move up like I wanted to have, so I can look for a return. So let's wait for a better setup. Now we broke the low by a little bit. Let's look for another market structure shift. And now we see a market structure shift again, but I don't think it's big enough yet for me to enter, so I'll wait a bit again. And there we have a very good market structure shift in my opinion, and we have a little fair value gap right under it, so we can be looking for a potential long. And now I'll be drawing the fair value gap we could potentially enter from. We also have a fair value gap below, but I don't think it has that much impact as it has already been half filled. These are the two fair value gaps I'm talking about, and I don't think they have that much importance, as I'm writing here too. I'll be deleting the fair value gaps below and entering from this fair value gap right here, because I think it's the best entry. I will also put my stop loss below the fair value gap, so if we get down to the fair value gaps below the fair value gap I'm entering from, we are still in the trade. Yeah, and now I'll be looking for my TPs. I have put my SL down and I have put my order down. Now I'll see where my TPs can be on the 5 minute time frame, and I've identified the first one to be right there. and the second one could be right here. And the last one could be at the top or candle prior to the top. The reason why I don't go for the top is because sometimes it creates a double top and doesn't hit the take profit target. That's why I always want to play it safe and get the candle prior to the top. And I'll be back on the 1 minute time frame, and I'll be looking for my fair value gap to be filled like it did right there, and now I'll be seeing if it can hit my TPs. And there we hit our last TP, which gave us a 4 risk to reward ratio trade, which is very good. You could also take profit at the take profit 1 or take profit 2 or the take profit 4. But it's up to you what you like and what you feel comfortable with. We also hit the TP4, but it is how it is. We got the TP3, which is very good. And now we're at the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was useful and you learned something new on how to use the ICT concepts on the real charts. If you want to see more videos, please remember to subscribe, and if you liked the video, please leave a like and leave a comment. BigT Trades here, and I'm out. Bye.